Today you will learn how plantain is one of the most powerful and medicinal weeds that you have growing in your yard. Plantain is a plant that likes to grow where nothing else wants to, in hard ground, between sidewalk cracks, and on the side of the road. Plantain grows all across the U.S. from zones 3 to 12. I have it all over my farm, and chances are you have it growing in your yard also. Even though it's considered a weed by many, it has impressive medicinal qualities that you may find yourself in need of, and it's nice to have close to hand. The plant grows from a short rosette of large, nearly round leaves and sends off long, slender spikes of tiny green or white flowers. The leaves have an unusual pattern of veins that run parallel from the top to the stalk. Plantain leaves are edible and can be chopped and added to a salad or cooked like spinach as a side dish. The seed husks are used as a bulk laxative and are commercially sold under the brand name Medicinal. Plantain has many medicinal properties, including mild antibacterial effects. It is also anti-inflammatory, analgesic, antioxidant, anti-ulcerative, antidiarrheal, and antiviral, but it is very pro-health. It can also help your immune system to work more efficiently to help you fight off infections. And it has mild vulnerary effects to help wounds heal faster. Can you understand why you would want to keep this weed on hand? Traditionally, plantain has been used internally to calm respiratory tract, digestive tract, and urinary tract inflammation. I have this huge area of plantain, but I also have free-range chickens and ducks and guineas, and here's the door to the hen house. So I planted it in my garden where they can't get to it, and I know it will stay clean. You really want it to be clean if you need to make a spit poultice quickly in case you get a bug bite, bee sting, spider bite, or even snake bite. A spit poultice is made by chewing the fresh leaves and then slapping the glob onto the bite or sting to draw out the venom and decrease the severity of the reaction. In case of a snake bite, apply the poultice, eat as many leaves as you can get down, and then get to the hospital in a hurry. If you are severely allergic to bee stings and have anaphylactic reactions, please carry an EpiPen with you at all times and use it immediately if you get stung. But then applying the poultice may help further lessen the reaction. Plantain poultices can also be used to draw infection out of a wound or help stop the bleeding of a recent wound. While drying the leaf and making a powder is very handy to carry with you when you're outside and might need to make a poultice in a hurry, it should be replaced about every 6 months because it can lose its potency. Freezing the leaves ensures that it will be active over the winter months when this perennial plant isn't available. Besides poultices, plantain can be made into a tea, tincture, salve, or cream. If you're ready to learn more about growing and making your own herbal medicines for you and your family, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you get this important information every week. Thank you for joining me today. Stay healthy, make sure those plantain leaves are clean before you chew them up, and have a blessed week.